Okay, so one problem I really hate about Claude Code in the terminal is spending too much time in there and then getting my brain just kind of stops working. And so, for example, like this, it's like, this is my chief of staff. It's dummy data, but you can see like, I have to make decisions on all this stuff, and that's a lot, and it's hard, and I could do it here. I could even have it give me them one by one in here, but my brain just kind of melts when I look at this. So a solution that I feel like people don't do enough is make a little web UI. So basically, I can ask Claude to just make a little web UI for me to go through this. I've already done it, so you guys can just see the finished product here. Here it is. So it built me this. It's a little chief of staff. And I just go through each of these, right? So this is the first one. You can see it back here. It's send proposal, but it's like, oh, nice. What do I do? Update and send. Cool. Next. Let's delegate. All right. Well, yeah, we'll review after lunch. That's cool. This one I can say, skip till next week. Actually, see if I have half written drafts that could work. Because it will then have access to everything, because this is all going to go back right into the Claude Code. Finance is asking, tell finance to eat a sock. And then prep for Marcus. Oh yeah, I need, let's prep now. That's good. And then finish course, weekend for real, LOL. I probably won't, but you get it. Clear out downloads. Right. Let's do it tonight. Cool. And it's got my plan. Copy to clipboard. I then take this back over here, paste it, and it would then keep going. So you can do this with anything. I use it a lot for just anytime there's big blocks of text. I make a web UI, and it's fun too. And then you can also share it with people. So I'm creating something actually. Let me see if I can pull it up. Yeah, so another one I have is this positioning thing that I'm working with a founder, Britt, one of my faves from of all trades. Go check them out. But I just want her to fill this out, and I'm having different people ask her complete the sentence, and the results then. This one has a chatbot interface too, because it's going to ask her more stuff. But point is, like, this is a lot better than a Google Doc, right? To get these answers from her. And I think we can all be doing a lot more of that and having a lot more fun for ourselves and also with clients and how I deliver stuff. So that's it, folks. Have a good one. Be safe when you Claude, and be Claude when you safe. No, bad joke.